Hello everyone. I know it's a very long overdue video. I promised another DIY with the other one which I shot in December, but just we are running sick and my throat was not doing well, so I was like doing activities but just I was not able to make a video because my sound was really bad. So today I have a long list of videos. So other side you see they are the ones for my mainly 3-year-old because they're more of phonics and counting more than 10 and logical, and these are the ones for my 2 years old who is not interested in academic concepts ABC or 1 2 3 4, but there are some things which she likes and so we are focusing on that. So the first video will be of her activities, and then in another video I'll go for the other activities because otherwise it become very huge video. So starting the first one, so my younger one who just turned 2 years old in November, she doesn't is not interested in recognizing 1 2 3, but she loves counting somehow. So nothing but they are just some white paper. I have put dot stickers on it and I've laminated them for like so that she doesn't tear it off. And then there are pom-poms whom I have stuck to the magnet because she's in love with magnets. So if a kid love magnets, it's fine. Otherwise you can use any manipulative for that, pom-pom buttons. And just I'll give one card to her and she'll put the pom-poms on them and then she'll count like and she can count till 10, though she doesn't recognize numbers, but she can count. Then she'll count 1 2 3 4 like that. So that is what we are doing. One second one is a color recognition. So shapes also she knows somewhat here and there, and colors also we are trying to teach. So nothing but the popsicle sticks, that too because she loves the velcros. Otherwise you don't need to laminate it. Just I have used sketch pens and pencil colors, and just draw the shape of your popsicles, color them, and ask the kid to match. So like yellow will go yellow, and when she'll make a shape, I'll say, see, this is triangle you made, like that. This one is again fine motor skills for her. So there are popsicle sticks of different colors, blue, red, yellow, green, and there are clips of different colors. So she has to take a clip. She is very good at motor skills somehow, and then she has to hold the clip and clip it. So you see there's like 2 blues, 4 pinks, 3 greens, and 2 yellows. So like that we did counting also, and we did color recognition also, and we did the motor skills also in this one activity. The next one is the paper clips. So actually I had given many more paper clips to her, but just for showing I have brought only few things out. So just it's nothing, it's just a cardboard or some cover of some box, and they are the clips. You can take whatever paper clips you get, but I found them very tricky. I think they're tricky to go into, and I had to teach her the trick that how do you put it inside it. So like that I had given her 6 and I told her to put, but later on she doesn't care what is the number, but yes, I told her to put only on the dots. So that was again a good focus building thing for the child. Now this one is a part of lacing, but there are different things which we are doing like this for my especially for my younger one. This is see there are I gave her, so I've given only 3 strings here, but I gave her different color pipe cleaners and different beads, a big box of beads. So they're like blue, she has to pick up only the blue beads and match. Green, only green beads she has to pick up, and I just shown you 2, but there were many more beads. And then this is like object recognition. So like this is nothing but a button. Okay, so this button has taken this what is it, a cover of a box. I cut small pieces and stick with the tape, and there's object recognition. So like there were 4 kind of buttons, 4 kind of beads, different kind of beads, and then if she has to pick up this pipe cleaner, she has to pick up only these kind of buttons and put them inside it. So because she's good at fine motor skills, even these tiny holes are not a big deal for her. So I'll just show you a demo, but like that you can do different things with them. We are not into counting with these ones for my younger one, so for her I just kept it object recognition and color recognition. And because they are different kind of beads with different size of holes, it was very good for motor skills and concentration. Now again with these pens, they're tiny ones, and this again I bought some beads only, and this is a you get at the base in the packet. So again I have marked something here I mean like marked with a pen some space, and she had to take the pen and take the paper. So I cannot do with the one hand, but that is what she's supposed to do. The pen should be on that green. So that's another extension, because the bigger ones, they were little easier, but these tiny ones, smaller pens, are much more. They're basically paper clips, sorry. Now that's a color recognition, again a DIY. So whatever you're seeing is all DIYs, okay? You can do with whatever stuff you can have. Again, see some paper I had, but a little thicker paper, good quality paper. And then I had dot stickers, okay? So green, blue, yellow, red. So then I had a sheet of stickers with me, which are different fruits, and then I gave her the sheet of stickers, and whatever fruit she picks up, she has to tell me the fruit which is picked up and match the color. Like this is a grapes, so she has to put it here. Then she has picked up orange, not it's orange, it's kind of orange but it's yellow color, so it goes here. No, this is orange, sorry, this is orange. This was some other nectarine or something. Really sorry, these are Chinese stickers, I can't read what they've written, but like there's strawberry, cherries, apple, and they have to go under the red color. And then the pear and green grapes and green apple and something here that has to go under the green shade. So again a simple DIY for color recognition. Now this one, again the pins and the rubber bands, which is again her favorite, and my kids love this one, but they are very pointed, okay? So be careful if you're giving to your kids. It is a corkboard, again it's simple any box you take, and I have colored it because I had pink and red hearts. So I've just, with the pen, I have sketch pen, I have marked red, pink, and then like I give her that, you know, this is a red heart, where will it go? Then she has to match it and push it inside. So again a fine motor skill, color recognition, and shape, because we are talking about hearts. Now this one is a little complicated. She was not able to do it, but it was good one. Then my elder one had issues, so I'll tell you what it is. So they are just, I have made some dots, and the line which are joining them are different colors, okay? So I didn't have many white pens, so I used different colors, but the thing was that like if okay, this one and this one, what is the color between? It's a blue color. So take the blue rubber band, and they're pretty long pins, you know, so there is a lot of space if you want to put the rubber band there. So put it here and you stretch it, anyway. So like that you see different rubber bands and different lines between the pins, and that's how you have to put it. So they are the set of activities for my younger one, very basics ones, and the next video I'll show you what I did my elder one in the last 1.5 months. So hope you like them. Bye bye.